This is JAIRUS of all. Today I have something special for you. I watched Leafyishere, and the other day he posted a video and said this.
But if you leave a like on today's video, you no scam and no joke at all for a limited time offer. We'll be receiving your very own, and this is not a scam, you'll be receiving your very own fucking rocket launcher. Yep, that's right, as soon as you leave a like on this video, underneath your bed there will be a brand new rocket launcher, fully loaded.
Now I've clicked like on his videos before and I didn't necessarily expect to get what he said because I assumed that he was a scam. But this time I clicked like and I went and I looked underneath my bed and guess what I found? A rocket launcher! Let's shoot it! Thanks for the rocket launcher, Leafy. I love this thing. Also, Dan, username GibsonGTR91Tube, won the giveaway from the last video, so I'm going to be sending this out to him. He got it right. The sound is the menu noise from the old TIE Fighter and X-Wing flight simulator games from the early 90s. He got it. First one. Also, I set up a P.O. box and I'll put the address here on the screen in case you guys want to send me stuff. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. As soon as I get a chance to edit the video, I'll put out the next Iron Man launcher thing. Thanks for watching. Thanks again, Leafy. Subscribe for more cool stuff. See you soon.
Back from the dead. Ladies and gentlemen, you're all invited.
It might be so rusty it's not going to shoot. It's hard to say. That's really fucking rusty. Thanks, Leafy, for the rusty-ass rocket launcher.